Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. Oh goodness, the struggle. Okay, for today's video I'm going to show you my updated curly hair routine for short hair, long hair, doesn't matter. Long story short, 3 months ago my hair was not curling at all. Was it 4 months ago? I think it might have been 4 months ago. Somebody completely over bleached my hair. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can see the struggle that I went through. He over processed it, my hair started falling out. Then I attempted to cut it myself. I did a horrible job. Then I went to another lady who cut my hair super short. It was like up to here. 3 months ago it was up to there, and I was just like hysterical. I hated it. So my hair went from not curling at all to being super curly, and I love it. It's finally growing. If you guys want a video of like products I use to specifically make my hair grow, I can do that, but this video is just what I use in the shower and what I use when I get out. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share it to all the girls who need some help with their hair. Yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so the first product that I use about once a week is this Black Jamaican Castor Oil Shampoo. Moisture and Growth. It is paraben free, sulfate free, and silicone free, and also cruelty free, which is really good for the hair. I mainly use it on my scalp, and I really scrub and get like all the dirt out of my hair and any leftover product from the day before. My follicles, trying to get them, you know, back to life, so I really just scrub that, and then I wash it off, and of course go in with the same conditioner, which is also paraben free and silicone free. It doesn't say sulfate free, so I'm not really sure about that, but I do believe that this really works. I've been using it for the past 3 months, and I've noticed a lot of growth in my hair. For the conditioner, I just mainly keep this on my ends. Okay, so back at it again with the Diva Girl products. I'm using the No Poo Original Shampoo, and I use the One Conditioner Original, and I've been using this for a really long time. If you guys have been subscribed to me for over a year, I did another hair tutorial using this, but yeah, you see I'm back at it again using it. It's my holy grail. I love it. It feels amazing, and yeah, don't even bother asking me why I wash my hair twice in the same day. I just do it. And then after that, I go in with this Pantene 3-minute Miracle leave-in conditioner treatment thingy. I don't even know what it is, but if you use this, I swear to you, your hair is gonna feel brand new right after washing it out. And even after washing it, it feels amazing. Like, it just stays feeling great. While I keep this in for 3 minutes, I do crunch up my hair and, you know, give it a little curl, then wash it out, and yeah. Look at me, how bougie I am with the Diva Curl towel. It works so good though. It like leaves your hair not frizzy, which I love. And by the way, if you see any movement on the right side of the screen in the mirror, that is my boyfriend bothering me. Anywho, so I'm going in with the Diva Curl Light Defining Gel, which I've been having this for a long time. I still love it. It's 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, which is super good for the hair again. So I just run my fingers through my hair and start crunching it. But my favorite product, I do not know how to pronounce this. Oyudad, I have no idea. But I'm going to have everything linked down below with the prices. This is the Curl Quencher Moisturizing Styling Gel. Infuse and seal in moisture with lasting hold. And on the side of the product, it does say tight curls, which is very true. Also, how I make my curls like super tight, I've been finger coiling my hair, especially in the front, because that is the hair that did not curl at all, and now this is like the hair that is curling the most. I love how it looks super full and thick when I do this, and I'm glad that I found this way, and I'm just gonna probably do this forever because I just love how it is so much. Hopefully my hair will automatically look like that, but if it doesn't, I'm just gonna keep doing this because it looks beautiful when it's finished. Back at it again with my favorite product by Diva Curl. This is the Diva Curl diffuser. I don't use any other diffuser anymore. I've been using this for like 2 years and it is my favorite. So I do not apply heat on my hair anymore. I put it on the cool section and I put it to the highest speed. So it dries up really fast, but it does not heat it up. I don't know how to explain it, but it works really, really well. And of course you have, look at him bothering me. He's so annoying. Look, watch. Horrible. He's so bad. Okay, so to continue, I do like move it around. I use both hands. See, I use the diffuser hand and I use my hand, and I really get in there and get every single spot of my hair. I start sectioning it up, and it just really works really quickly, about 20 minutes until it's done. So if you guys are like me and you like a more fuller and thicker look, definitely I would suggest going in with a pick. I have all different sizes, but I love my pick, and I just separate my hair and just start picking at it. And then of course I go back in with the diffuser just to dry it up a little bit more because it was still wet. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I do for my hair routine. I hope you guys are enjoying the process of my hair growing and just me trying to get my hair back to being healthy again. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like the way it looks. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.